No way. I forgot the press record. Alright guys, Tony from Ongoing Adventures. We're actually going for a bit of a, just a little nice little weekend up to the Gold Coast. So we're not actually going to head bush, we're not going to head the beach this time. We're actually going to stay at a caravan site. So we're actually going to stay at the Big Four caravan park at the Gold Coast area, across the road from where I think Movie World is. So stay tuned, bit of a different weekend. It's going to be a bit of a short week, guys. Just more of a show and tell on what's around when I stay up there. I have stayed in the past. It's a pretty awesome caravan park. Nice pool, nice cafe, little restauranty area. Nice little area set up on. I've got the camp on the back of me. Let's get cracking. Let's see how this weekend goes. Todd from Ongoing Adventures. I'll catch you there. Righto guys, we just got here at the Big Four Caravan Park on the Gold Coast area. We're pretty keen, pretty excited. I got the camp on the back of me. Let's go find our camp. I think we're on camp 56, the site itself. We're gonna go check her out. Let's go find out. Hopefully the dash cam, I'm gonna use the dash cam video on this one. The first time using this footage, so hopefully it turned out really well. We're gonna go tracking down here and let's see if we can find it. Let's stay tuned. We're gonna reverse the camper up the site and set her up. Let's get cracking. Righto guys, so first night here at the Big Four Caravan Park Gold Coast, our very first camp. We're getting set up, we're getting ready. I'll do a bit of a skizzy around real soon, probably tomorrow morning, or what the park looks like around the pool, the spa and the water slide. But this is our quick camp in the old Maximus ongoing venture chemtrail. Let's get cracking. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Stay tuned, we'll look at the park. Righto guys, that was just a little quick video like I said it was going to be, just of us staying at the Big Four Caravan Park in Queensland on the Gold Coast area. I'm now back home. I pulled out the camper again, so I had to pull out the awning and the rooftop tent because it did get a bit wet overnight. And I just sort of quickly shaked it all off this morning, packed her up, knowing I'll come back home, pull her out, let her fully drive. But what an awesome little place, guys, to go for the Big Four Caravan Park. Yes, they have some pretty wicked stuff. They got the nice big pool, they got the spa bath, they got the kiddies pool, they got the jumping pillow, they got the little water park. They've got the pizza oven, the dining area, and the restaurant slash cafe there. They've got the playground. Guys, they have so much going on there. They even have like little hire bike stands. They've got the flying foxes, the dog little park running around. Yes, you can take your pets there, which is even awesome. So much, guys. I can't even say it all right now as it goes. I'm just, minding of a goldfish. But 100% guys, if you're going up that way and you just want to stay there for a couple of days or for a weekend quick getaway like I just done then, check her out. Big Four Caravan Park, Gold Coast. I'll catch you there. Todd from Ongoing Adventures.